Welcome to the big challenge. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to download your students' contest results and certificates once the final results have been published. Log into your teacher account and go to the Contest tab. Click on Results in the left-hand menu. At the top of the results table, click on the Export button. A pop-up will appear. From the drop-down menu, choose the format you want. Results, XLSX for a spreadsheet version, or Results, PDF for a printable version. The export will reflect any filters or sorting you've applied to the results table, such as specific classes. So make sure your filters are set before clicking Export. Once selected, the file will be generated and downloaded to your device. Downloading the certificates. Go to the Documents tab in the main menu. You'll see several certificate options once results are available. Choose whether you want the certificates with or without rankings, and with or without a background. Certificates without a background are optimized for printing on pre-printed certificate paper. Click Generate to start the process. The generation may take a few minutes. Once it's complete, you'll receive a confirmation email letting you know the certificates are ready to download. And that's it! You've now downloaded both the results and the certificates for your students. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching!